Another episode, a very special episode of Sausage and Eggs. And on today's episode, we're going to be cooking a little snack to put Courtney to bed. He's been very frisky, very angry lately, very weird, and did not do his dishes. Courtney, can I get a little help with the groceries, please? I guess I'll get all of the groceries myself. Courtney can't lift a finger. And we're gonna be cooking for Courtney, and he's taking our eggs. This is what I'm talking about. Courtney acting out, Courtney causing problems. Eggs are not for playing. Eggs on the floor. Courtney, what are you doing, Courtney? See where he's bringing the eggs to here. Courtney! He's gone feral! You're gonna need 3 eggs if you want to put Courtney to sleep. This is Courtney's protein powder. And here's our double A grade yellow butter. Quite good. Let's get cooking. So, grab a little bit of butter, as much as you'd like, and simmer it in the pan. Little extra butter, go ahead and butter your plate. Crack your eggs, break one of the yolks, and the other 2 yolks leave on. These dishes are for Courtney to do for his allowance. Butter the top of the eggs. You're gonna wanna butter everything. The eggs, the butter, the pan. Just lovely dish to be cooking. Go ahead and flip your eggs, even them out if you flip them wrong. A little bit of paprika goes a long way, but a lot of paprika goes an even longer way. Butter your plate. And I think it's about done. You can tell it has a nice round shape. That way Courtney won't choke. And there we are. With the eggs are done. Now, Courtney, get your damn snake out of the fridge. Go ahead and loose the yolks. Go ahead and make a double-decker. And Courtney's taking my groceries. Courtney! Courtney! Gosh dang it, Courtney. I've had it up to here. We're gonna have to put Courtney to bed the old-fashioned way. Making quite a mess here, Courtney. This is not acceptable, Courtney. Courtney! Courtney, put it down. Courtney! Courtney! Courtney, no! Courtney, no! No, Courtney! Don't do it, Courtney! Courtney, no! No! Courtney!